The M18 Jobsite Lunch Warmer delivers hot meals on any job, break time ready. First, fill the 4.75 cups stainless steel container with desired food and attach the leak-proof lid. Attach an M18 battery to the lunch warmer. Place the container into the unit. Close and latch the unit lid. Press and hold the power button to turn the unit on. Use the temperature button to select your desired heat level. Use arrows to select desired mealtime. Press OK. Fork and knife icon will appear on screen to confirm the unit is set. Do not power off. Meal will begin warming 2 hours before selected mealtime, so that your food is ready when you are.